Dreaming of Europe but worried about costs? You're not alone. From €1 beers to €10 hostels, Europe has hidden gems where your money goes far. Today, we're counting down the 5 cheapest countries to visit in 2025. Let's dive in. Number 5 in this list is Poland. Poland is a landlocked country in Central Europe. It is blessed with a beautiful natural endowment of mountains and rivers, with historic castles and parks and national parks peppered around the nation. What makes Poland so great for a cheap European holiday is the fact that you can easily spend a day here for around $50 to $60. And this includes staying at a backpacker hostel or small hotel, 3 budgeted meals a day, public transport, paid sightseeing for 1 and a beer or 2 if you like. Poland is well known for its national parks, such as Ojkowski National Park near Krakow, which is home to picturesque castles and stunning caves. Visit the Old Town and local markets in Gdansk and go hiking in the Tatra Mountains. Or head out to the capital of Warsaw, where you will find countless hostels and budget-friendly hostels that offer rooms for $15 per night. If you wish to explore Polish cities with an experienced guide but don't wish to overpay for the tours, I recommend using Walkative. They offer free tours in all major cities, including Warsaw, Krakow, Gdansk, Poznan, and Lublin. Just be sure to tip your local guide at the end of the tour. Next up is Albania. Looking for an unspoiled Mediterranean beach? Albania still has natural beauty in spades. Meanwhile, Albania's main mountain range, dramatically known as the Accursed Mountains, is an increasingly recognized region for hiking and climbing. Cultural highlights include the picturesque towns of Gjirokastër and Berat, owing to their Ottoman influences and UNESCO World Heritage status. The costs? A bunk bed in a modern hostel in Tirana costs around $8 per night, while a room in a hotel can be booked for $15 to $20. You can spend as little as $5 on good but cheap food in a typical Albanian restaurant. Even if you dine in tourist restaurants, don't expect to pay more than $12 for an appetizer, entree, wine, and dessert. Such prices truly have more in common with Southeast Asia's budget backpacking destinations than the rest of Europe. Although Albania is a developing country, it is very safe. Its infrastructure has also improved, making traveling there now a lot easier. Bosnia and Herzegovina makes the 3rd place on this list. Many people might not know much about this country at all, or they still associate it only with the conflict that raged there in the 1990s. But this Balkan country is truly a hidden gem, and possibly the cheapest country to visit in Europe. If you're a curious traveler, you will find so much to love in this authentic destination. One highlight is the medieval town of Mostar, once a key stop on the Silk Road trading routes between Venice and Istanbul. Another surprising highlight is the capital, Sarajevo, which, although small, I consider one of Europe's most underrated capitals. With its fascinating blend of Austro-Hungarian and Ottoman influences, Sarajevo has a warmth and atmosphere you may not expect. Prices are very reasonable too, with budget rooms not costing much more than $21 per night, and meals regularly in the $5 to $8 range. Next stop is in Bulgaria. The city of Plovdiv is a great place to kick off your travel adventure. Explore the cobbled streets of the Old Town and discover the city's Roman heritage, or go for a walk through the lovely Tsar Simeon's garden. There are also plenty of free activities that you can enjoy while visiting this fascinating city. However, there is more to Bulgaria than the cities. Consider the 7 Rila lakes and the cute mountain lodges where you can pay around $15 per night. There is also the mountain town of Bansko, which is one of the cheapest ski resorts in Europe. If you are visiting in summer, head out to beach destinations like Sunny Beach, Varna, and Nesebar, where you can enjoy the deep waters of the Black Sea. Finally, we have Romania. Home to many castles, colorful old towns, and gorgeous landscapes with primal forests, Romania is bound to surprise you. It also happens to be one of the cheapest countries to visit in Europe. Its Transylvania region, associated with the legendary Count Dracula, is dotted with lovely medieval towns and unique fortified churches. The nature in the heart of Romania is truly wild, offering spectacular hiking trails and remote lodges where you can observe brown bears. Essentially a kind of European safari, Accommodation and dining are cheap. Many restaurants have set lunch menus for $4. It's all about pork dishes, different stews, sausages, and cabbage rolls in Romania, and everything is tasty. So, which country stole your heart? Drop a comment below. For more budget guides, hit subscribe. We'll help you travel smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.